Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach opening PayPal in Kosovo, given its unofficial status. While PayPal doesn't directly support Kosovo, many users find success through workarounds. This often involves registering your account using details from a neighboring country. You'll also need a local bank card, such as a Visa debit, to link for transactions. We'll explore these steps to help you navigate the process. To begin, visit the official PayPal website and select a neighboring country, such as Albania, during registration. It's crucial to use your real name and personal information, even if the country selected is not Kosovo. Decide whether a personal or business account best fits your usage. Accuracy in your details is important for potential verification, even with this workaround approach. Next, you'll attempt to link a local Kosovar debit or credit card to your PayPal account. Many users report success with Visa debit cards from banks like Raiffeisen or TEB. PayPal typically sends two small deposits, usually under $1, to your linked card or bank account for verification. You'll need to confirm these amounts on the PayPal site to complete the linking process. Once your account is set up, you'll likely find sending money to be more straightforward than receiving funds. You can often make online purchases at various merchants worldwide using your linked card or PayPal balance. However, be prepared for potential account limitations or requests for further verification, as this is an unofficial method. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.